guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, Alina's letting me borrow her face to do a Valentine's Day face painting tutorial.
And I'm watching my phone, so.
Yeah, story of my life. These wannabe teenagers. Okay, let's begin.
I'm almost a twin.
First, I got a split cake with red, pink, and white. And put it on a 1/2-inch flat brush to make a heart. Well, let's do it. Take your darkest color, put it on the outside, and angle your brush upwards. And to a point, you can fill that little spot in that's missing. Then you're going to take your other side of your brush upwards and into the point. Bring them together. Fill in your little spot that's missing. And you have a very simple heart with lots of dimension, which is very cute. To wear for your cute little boyfriends on Valentine's Day. Okay, then I filled up my brush with white. It's just Diamond FX white. And then I'm going to trace our heart to help it stand out a little bit more. I'll have to go over that one more time because my red was pretty wet. Okay. Make it beautiful. Then you want to add a little starburst. Just flick, flick, flick. And then I like to add dots, dot, dot, dot. To make it sparkle. Sparkle, baby, sparkle. Then you're going to do one on this side. Dot, starburst. Dot, dot, dot. Sparkle, baby, sparkle. And I'm going to reload my white and brighten everything up again. Hopefully looks like it's dry enough. I can add my little highlight and go back over that spot that came out too red. Going around. Oh. Lena, did you wipe it?
No, you did.
How?
With a makeup wipe.
Oh, right now. Silly.
I didn't wipe anything.
Okay. No. Sparkle, baby, sparkle.
Of course.
Oops, sorry. That's your head. Who needs that? Little dots for shine. Making sure everything looks nice and bright. Very cute. And then all I want to do at the end, because this is a very simple tutorial, is I'm going to have a wet finger and dip it into my sparkle. And then put my sparkle. Shine it bright like a diamond. Oh, and you can't forget Alina's favorite part, just because. Close your eye.
I got it in my eye.
Poof, poof. Okay.
She beat me up.
Okay.
Now I have a black eye.
Stop squinting.
Well, you're the one that put glitter in my eye.
Okay. Thanks for watching this very simple Valentine's Day tutorial. And please like, subscribe, and comment for more beautiful, dazzling face painting tutorials.
Bye-bye. That's how to do it.